What is up guys, Dan at this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed Microsoft Forms in Outlook and collect the responses. So first head over to the Microsoft Forms website, and after that you just need to sign in with your Microsoft account. But if you don't have a Microsoft account, if you need to create a new one, you need to click on try for free. But as you can see, I have my own Microsoft Forms account, so I'll just simply sign in with that account. And after that, here you will be redirected to explore some of the templates. So I'll just choose survey. After clicking on survey in the new tab, the editor of the survey will open, from where I can just edit and add all my questions. And on the left side, as you can see, here are multiple templates to choose from. Let's say I have chosen this one. And after choosing the template, I'll click on collect responses. After clicking on collect responses, on the right side, you can see the copy link option. So from the collect responses, I'll just copy the link, and after that, when the link has been copied, I will just open my Outlook mail. After opening my Outlook mail, on the left side, I will just click on this new button. As you can see, this is my new button to compose the new mail. I'll just click on it once, and then my new mail will be composed. After that, when I have opened my new mails window, I just need to write the email of another person, and then in this content section, I just simply need to paste that link, and then I need to add a subject that let's say demo link. And after that, when I am done, I'll just simply click on send, and then the email will be sent. And this is how you can embed your Microsoft Forms to Outlook. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.